Hey everyone, Liz here, coming to you from my sewing room at home, self-isolating or social distancing. I just thought I'd do a quick tutorial with my kids, so good luck. Quick tutorial on how to make some reusable cotton rounds and cloths. So just in case, Rose, that's enough. Okay, so just in case maybe you're running out of things to use at home to wash the makeup off your face or wipe down your counters, I make my own cleaners and use my own reusable cloth. So I just thought this would be a nice, quick, easy tutorial. So we're gonna go to my cutting mat here. So here I have just pieces of flannel, regular 100% cotton flannel. I have a 3-inch strip here. I'm gonna fold into 3 pieces, okay? And just use anything you have at home to create a circle. I'm gonna use my starch spray can and a pen on the wrong side of the fabric, and I'm just gonna draw a circle. Okay, this is just a template. If you have a circle ruler or whatever, feel free to use that, or just grab anything of appropriate size. And size is basically up to you, however big you want your cotton round. So this is my circle, and if you're a pinner like Tat, you can pin. I am not a pinner. I'm just going to cut. These are just to clean makeup off my face. Rose, please stop. Okay, I'm just using my scissors to cut out my circle. I've got a zoo here, guys. I've got dogs barking and kids yipping in the background.
Hey!
Okay, one kid. The other one's videoing for me, so I apologize. Okay, so there's my 3 cotton rounds. All right, I use 3 layers. Makes a nice, easy to use cotton round. I'm gonna layer them together so all sides are patterned. Okay, so that's that. Then over here we have just 6-inch by 6-inch square, and I use just a single layer, okay, for my cloth. All right, so we're going to go over to the sewing machine over here, and we're going to use a zigzag stitch to go all the way around the outside of your cotton round. Okay, I'm just gonna go slow. I like to go right on the edge. It's really simple, easy. The slower you go, the easier it is to turn your circle, to keep following those edges. You can make this stitch as big or as small as you would like. Okay, I'm just gonna knot it here and cut. And there you have it, a nice cotton round that you can use with your makeup remover. Okay, 3 layers, really easy. All right, and if it curls up on you, you're welcome to just flatten it with your iron. Okay, the next one here is your cloth, reusable cloth. If you make your own cleaners or if you have cleaners at home, it's the exact same idea, except it's only 1 layer. So I'm gonna start here, and again, I like to go real close to the edge. It's a zigzag stitch. And again, you can go as big or as small as you would like. If you have a serger, then you can use a serger to do the edges as well. And that will help a lot. And then you just have a nice reusable cloth. You can throw them in the washing machine with your rounds and you're good to go. Okay, so that was a quick, like I said, quick tutorial on how to make your cotton rounds reusable and your cloths for cleaning your countertops or whatever. If you're running out of paper towel or toilet paper,
you don't need to use that as toilet paper though.
Yeah, you don't have to use it as toilet paper, but if you ran out of toilet paper, these are washable. Hey, it's just the same as wiping baby's bum with cloth wipes.
Okay, yeah, you can use that with baby, but
there's no difference.
Yours is too big.
All right, guys, there you go. That's my son, Kelton. Okay, so I'll be back in a day or two with something else for you guys. Have a good day.